Hi everybody, my name is Maya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today, this is a review of this new diffuser, and this is like a hair dryer fashion. And this is inside the purple one. This is actually I just bought this from Amazon, and no, it's not sponsored. I just ordered one from Amazon. And this is gonna be really awesome to have. And I can show you inside what I see it. And let's do it right now and hit it. Alright, here's the package. And it was like a few weeks ago and I ordered them, and it's from Amazon. And here's what I'm gonna try to open it, and let's see what's inside. Oh, it's nice, and it's diffuser, by the way. Let's look and see right now. Okay, told you it's diffuser, and this is also called the hair dryer fashion, and it's more like a Jenin. But let's look inside of it and see what we got. Aha! And we got the diffuser. And it's purple. I was supposed to get pink. It's my favorite color, but they said it's sold out, so I decided to have purple instead. Let's start with this one, a part of this one first. This is just look inside of it, and let's just see what we got. Oh, there we go. Okay, has like I believe this is kind of has like a cold setting, and this just shows how you turn it off and on. And this is like a kind of like a button, a light that shows how the sea is. And this is kind of like a filter inside of it, but this is just more like a lasting. It's not like a Dyson or any kind of it, but this just shows what we have in there and personally. And let's see if we can turn on and off for this one. Before I turn it on, this is kind of like a protected for this, from hurting yourself in the traditional for the plug. And this is kind of more like impressing. Yeah, I hope this is gonna work. Let's see what we got. I press it and let's see what we got. Wow. It flows. See? Okay, let's see. Let's try this out. This is the low setting, the medium setting, and the high setting. This is really cool to do. And this is like the best one. Oh, check out this cold air. Well, probably not. You see how it shades? This is kind of like a cold, more like a color shade. There we go. Let's check out these first one. This is a diffuser attachment. Can't believe they finally have a diffuser attachment there, and this is kind of looking very nice of it to do. And this is like it shows you only using curly hair and for that, and this is, I'm not so sure. I think it's like a nasal to hold up, like for your. Well, not so sure. Let's look at the instruction on this paper. The A is a styling constructor. Yeah, styling constructor. This is more like a styling constructor, and this is like a nice to have there. And I think it's kind of like using like blow dryer, I think, for your straight hair. But I don't I don't have to actually do any heat for that. I decided to do a little curly hair instead. So that's it for all the diffusers there. And that's it for this one. Yep. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you diffuser just about now, and let's see what we got. Okay, I just washed my hair and I used a Spa Sister and microfiber towel I just bought at Home Goods. And to get this thing here, and I just refresh it and like deep conditioning first, then wash and condition it, and just tie up and split in two parts of the curls. And also, I'm just using the H2O first, and it's important to moisturize some nice water there. And first I'm going to use the Maui Moisture Coconut Curl Smoothie. It's the first one to use, like a curl first, and just rake it through all over it. I'm just steady using my fingers. I'm just palming my hands like that, like as always, so I can walk any smooth, softer cast there. But I decided to use the Quench last, like for the crunch. And to get this started, the second one I'm going to use after I clip my hair, I'm using the two combs first. I'm using the first comb, and it's purple, and that's like a very special thing to do. The second one is the Aunt Jackie's, the Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. That's right. And just starting to there, I'm just using one little bit drop, but not too many. And I need to just be careful not to use too much. Just trying to be precise. Just getting all this smooth down. I'm just gonna like tie up my hair also. This almost looked like I'm from space. Get it, space? Okay, you get it what I'm saying. All right, let's do this now for the second comb. Like a second, and just do the same thing over and over again until it's done. All right, to get this started, just going to split two halves of the back of it first to get the gel started. And guess what? It's the last part of this product is the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Styling Gel. That's right. And it's almost out of it. I'm going to use the first one that I used. I'm using the water again, as always. I'm going to use the first brush. That's right. Like I used the first comb and a second comb also. Now it's time for the gel. That's right. Oh, if you guys want to see the playlist on the review, click the link in the description down below to see one. And it's time for the second brush also. Just get this really smooth there. And it's time for raking method also. And just keep on doing it until time for the next front. That's right. And after that, I'm going to start scrunching it, this two parts of the back first, scrunching it, and just be careful. Yep, it's all gone, and yeah. You know what? I can show you the scrunching After that, I'm gonna show you the, okay, let's scrunch it also, the front. I forgot to show you in the back, but that's okay. Now it's time for the finger coil to do a little bit, and then on the top also. Yep, that's right. And I'm almost done to finger coil, and then it's time to scrunch it up. Yep, that's right. I'm using the same one for the microfiber towel, but do not use regular towels. It'll cause frizz. Nope. And that's it for this one. Okay, so it's been like 20 minutes or probably more, and this is what it's gonna look like. Oh, it doesn't have a magnet, but it sure sticks really good. And let's see, I'm gonna try on the lowest setting and see how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna set it like in the how long it's gonna dry my hair with this, and see how long I'm gonna dry my hair. And this is gonna be really cool, and hopefully this new diffuser is gonna work there. So let's start it right now, and I'll get to you on my face. Okay, this side is like almost dry, and I'm gonna do the other one and just see what we got. All right, that was awesome. And let's see how minutes it's been right now. Okay, it's been like 47 minutes, 37 seconds, and that would be like almost an hour. Okay, so to know that, let's go check this out to scrunch my hair with an oil. So I'm gonna use the castor oil in this to scrunch my hair, and I think it's like 100% dry. Now it's a little sweaty. Or maybe, well, kind of a little bit. But I'm getting hang of this for a minute, and after that, I'm gonna do this on camera. And all right, so I'm gonna do pineapple my hair and see the cool results of how I look, and let's see what we got in there, and I'll be right back. I am back for a few hours, and let's see what we got. By the way, I just changed my pajamas, and this is how it looks. Isn't it cool? This is like day one, and I just start pineapple my curls. This is really good for me. I know it's supposed to look like this, now is just this, but I'll just fix it for my hair look up this style, and hopefully I'm just gonna pineapple back. I think it's time for me to Mousse, and that's it, and hope you have a great day. So, what do you think about this video? This is like a review of this dryer, and then like a diffuser dryer, and the perfect one. I know I was supposed to get pink, but they sold out, like I said to you guys earlier, but they got purple instead. So, by the way, I just made like 100 subscribers there, and that was a great celebration there. Yeah, I'm trying to make more subscribers to do. Like I said, subscribe to my channel anyway, and follow me on Instagram, Tumblr, Pinterest, TikTok, and Threads. Also, like this video, and make sure to leave in the comments down below to what do you think about this diffuser hair dryer exactly. And also have fun, and I love you bunches, and goodbye.